Hey, good morning. My name is Kanwar Singh. I'm the business head for Windsor House. We are happy to announce India's new age finest preschool in India, and we are starting from Chennai. This is just a beginning. We want to have 150 school in next 5 years.
Well, I am Parvani Dawar. I head the academics for Windsor House, and I welcome all of you. We open the doors to families, children, investors, collaborators, educators, and fraternity to the Windsor House program. We are here to set up world class spaces with pedagogical research and depth in our everyday practices, and we welcome all of you to collaborate with us.
Hello Chennai, I'm Neha Dolmani. I head the corporate daycare division at Windsor House, and Windsor House is going to provide quality childcare services in corporate parks as well as residential communities, solving everyday problems of new age parents who struggle daily with childcare. And this is a growing need, and we are here to solve a problem that many parents are facing today and many nuclear families are facing today.
And I would like to add, even before this launch, I'm happy to announce that we have already signed one franchise in Hyderabad and one company-owned center in Pune. We want to have 150 schools in next 5 years across India.
Special Features is a high quality early years program which is deeply rooted in the global best practices in Indian values and which is developing a tribe. We are not working just with a child, we are welcoming families and creating a community of shared learning, shared vision, and supporting children to meet their developmental needs.
எவ்வளோ ஏஜ்ல இருந்து ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணலாம் என்ன ஏஜ்
So, we are starting with 6 months babies who come to us in our childcare program. Then we have the preschool program that starts from 2 years to 6 years, and our after school program.
6 மந்த்ல குழந்தைங்களுக்கு பிரைன் வளர்ந்துருமா
For 6 months.
தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட்ல 6 மந்த்ல எந்த ஸ்கூல்லயும் எந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கும் வந்து கோச்சிங் கொடுக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க.
Okay, somebody else.
ஸ்கூல் வா
It is not. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Let me understand your question. I will tell you. Can you please translate that?
Generally here in Tamil Nadu,
Hmm.
we don't encourage like 6 months old
Correct.
children in school.
Correct.
So he's asking if like 6 months old baby will have the brain development.
Correct. So while you're right, generally 6-month-old babies, if you have a supportive system in the house, if there is somebody to take care of the child, for example, in joint families where there is intergenerational learning that is happening, then the child doesn't need to come to a child care. What are we solving here is where there is only a mother and a father, both of them are working, but they don't have somebody to take care of the child. What do we do now? This is a service at Windsor House where we have specialized nurses, we have qualified trainers, and yes, the brain starts developing immediately, not even when the child is born, when the child is conceived. So the brain is already working and developing. So it is not that at the 6 months there are some sensory experience that a child needs to have at 6 months. But if there's nobody at home, no adult to look after the child, then of course this becomes an answer to that, right?
Just
So
to
this
add
is
on,
what we are doing.
We are talking about two services here. One is childcare and another is preschool. Preschool starts much later, but the problem for mothers who are working today starts when they have to go back to work. As per the Maternity Act, a mother gets only 3 months of leave after the baby is born. But for a mother to go back to work, she has to wait for 3 months or 6 months, sometimes 2 years, 5 years.
Yeah.
But with Windsor House Childcare, mother can be rest assured she can go to work and she can put the child in childcare. Childcare is very, very different than
A preschool
a
program.
preschool. Childcare means changing the nappies, feeding properly the child, stimulating with
stimulus.
developmental milestones, taking care of a child like a mother would do at home, and also giving them learning and teaching aid, right rhymes, right music,
Sensory.
so right sensory development of the child. That is what starts at 6 months at Windsor House. So the 6 months program is for childcare, and the preschool program starts much later. I hope I have clarified your question.
ஃபீடிங் பிரச்சனை இருக்கு நிறைய
Yeah.
நமக்கு இல்லை இப்போ வந்து குழந்தைங்கன்னா கேர் டக்குன்னு பண்ண முடியாது 6 மந்த்ஸ் குழந்தைங்கலாம் வந்து ஃபீடிங் பிரச்சனை நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல வந்து இவங்க கூட நீங்கள் சொல்கிற இடத்துல வந்து அதெல்லாம் வந்து ப்ராப்பராக பண்ணுவாங்களாமா
So when it comes to feeding, what are the kind of support like we do? He's saying like generally when it comes to feeding to the baby, it is quite hard for mothers to only take care. So what are we doing in like Windsor House?
So
Yeah,
when it
let me
comes-
answer that. So, see, feeding is a part of growing up for a child. It is a part of their developmental journey. So, when what we do here is we have trained professionals who are nurses, who are caregivers, who understand what kind of formula is needed for the child, what kind of nutrition needs does the child have. So, it has to happen in unison with the families. We take support from the family. We ask them what is the feeding pattern of the child, how many times are you feeding the child. Based on that, we curate one-on-one baby plans. It is not that there is a feeding plan which is applicable to all the babies. Each baby will have their own feeding plan, various nutritional requirements. So that is how scientifically it is all developed and designed, and that's how we cater to the need of the baby.
6 மாசத்துல இருந்து குழந்தைங்க வளர்ச்சி கரெக்டா இருக்கும் சரிங்களா இப்போ இந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு வந்து எவ்வளவு அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் என்னன்னா பையன் 5 வயசுக்கு அப்புறம் 1வது போயிடுவாங்க ஸோ அந்த கிளாஸ்லாம் வந்து மாறும் டோட்டலாவே அதை பத்தி நீங்க
So he's asking about the child development, like from 6 months to whatever like we are catering. Like, what is the kind of development the child is going to have, and like how he is going to get it after the preschool?
Okay, so when a 6-month baby is now learning, the baby is not even moving at 6 months, right? The baby has to be held in hand. The baby is probably just learned to turn at a side. The milestone or the development starts from everything. When the child will then immediately start to crawl, the child will get up, start walking. All those growth patterns are the milestones which we talk about, which will happen when the child with us. So that is the kind of stimulation which Neha said is what we have to give to the child in our care. Then when the child comes to, from an infant, we say the child becomes a toddler. Now the child is crawling, the child is holding something and standing up. The child has now started to walk with support. So all these things are where the development is happening. It is also the child is recognizing colors, the child is recognizing familiar voices. So all these are developmental milestones for a baby. Reading and writing is not just the only developmental milestone. These are basic milestones where the brain is also developing so that the child can eventually read and write, right? So all that developmental milestones which are standard, there are global standards where the milestones are mapped, which after COVID have also been revisited because the learning needs of the child has changed. So all that has to happen in our space because we have the child with us for the entire day. It is our responsibility, right? That is the mapping we do, right?
குழந்தைங்களை வந்து இவங்க எல்லாம் சொல்றாங்க அதனால நான் கேட்குறேன் குழந்தை சின்ன வயசுல போட்டோ எடுக்கிறாங்க அது ஃபிளாஷ்லாம் இருக்கு சரிங்களா அதெல்லாம் வந்து எப்படி கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றதுன்னு கேளுங்க ப்ளஸ் அது இல்லாம வந்து ஃபியூச்சர்ல வந்து குழந்தைங்களை அந்த சோஷியல் மீடியால விடுவாங்க ஸோ அது மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கான்னு கேளுங்க சோஷியல் மீடியாலே வந்து போன் கையில் கொடுத்துருவாங்க குழந்தைங்கிட்ட ஸோ அது எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுவோம் அது எப்போ குழந்தைங்க நார்மலாக ஹேண்டில் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க அதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாமா பண்ணக்கூடாது
So he's asking about the screen timing basically, how we are going to control them from like using social media and like usage of the phone and
Correct.
And also he's also asking about the concern where like kids these days are like getting used to the flashlights and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So how are we going to like control
Yes,
that and like what are the
yes.
steps that we take?
Yeah. So first of all, that is a very brilliant and valid point about children being exposed to flashlights. So many times they are photographed, which is not appropriate. So that is where we step in, right? We are the ones, first of all, in our schools, that is not going to happen, right? We are not going to be photographing babies and we are not going to be exposing them to screen time because we have enough learning materials in our spaces. We don't have to rely on a screen for that, first of all. Second of all, these habits have to be inculcated. This doesn't happen once in a while, and the parent has to partner with us. if we teach something, we develop a certain habit for a child in our classroom, but the parent and the family doesn't follow it, then there is no point, right? That's when we bring in the parent and we educate them also. We tell them that this is what you should be doing, limit the screen time for the child and things like that. However, we are talking about the Gen Alpha and the Beta, right? They are the ones who are going to be living in a digital world. So you cannot keep them away from it. It is not that they shouldn't learn to interact. What we need to teach them is how to use it responsibly, right? So they have to learn how to use the digital media or the social media and all that. But as adults, as educators, and as families, we have to teach them how to use it responsibly, which we will do at Windsor House. That's a plan for that.
More than just numbers, we are more focused on what are the unique features of Windsor House, why we are unique, the actual thinking behind the the pedagogy, the actual analogy of this business. So for this, I would like to invite my colleague Parvani Davar, who is the soul of academics. So she'll take you through the academic part and the curriculum part. Over to you, Parvani.
Well, Vanakkam Chennai. Thank you so much for sparing your Sunday morning for us. It means the world to us. And like Kaval very rightly said, that we have started on the right foot. It is with a lot of intent, effort, and I would also say the cosmic power that has been playing itself towards our intention. So it is said that when you have the right intention and when you're solving for something, things automatically start falling in place. Now, what are we solving for at Windsor House? We are solving for a requirement or a sentiment for young parents. The age group of families whom we cater to, not the children, the families whom we cater to are young parents. They have a lot of anxiety, they have a lot of exposure, yet they need a lot of guidance and support in the upbringing of their child. That is where we step in. They are all well traveled. Most of the people have, are working professionals, very set in their values, and have a very clear understanding of what they want their child to be. That is the kind of ecosystem we are providing at Windsor House. The curriculum, while neuroscience based, globally researched, also banks a lot on the Indian values, the Panchakosha, the Aditis, all those things are very deeply rooted. We draw a lot of inspiration from our local leaders, thought providers, and thinkers. Apart from that, the curriculum is very driven by the new age skill sets because we are heading to a world which will be highly automated, yet the human essence is something that will all keep us connected. So that is what Windsor House is aspiring for. That is what the Windsor House provides. And we welcome all of you to experience the Windsor House with us. Thank you.
So I have my colleague Neha Durwani with us, who she'll take you through the corporate childcare.
For parents of today's age, especially the new age parents, they have first-time mothers, first-time dads. They need a lot of guidance as to how to bring up the child. Windsor House doesn't stop at just a preschool education. We also provide childcare services. What does a child do after school? How to keep them engaged throughout the day and have an after-school program which is on childcare. Windsor House will also provide childcare services in corporate parks, residential societies, and as Kavar already mentioned, we have already collaborated with Pune's largest upcoming corporate park at Godrej in Koregaon Park, where we are starting corporate childcare as well as early years program. And that is why I feel the brand is called Windsor House, because for a parent, when the parent is leaving the child, it's leaving the child to another home, a second home, and that's Windsor House.